What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at this. Look at all of this clearance. And if you like to use the Ibotta app, you might just be able to go ahead and treat yourself with something free. I mean, you'd have to initially pay for it, but then using the Ibotta app, chances are you're gonna get some of this stuff for free. And if you're a couponer, there are a lot of CoverGirl makeup coupons out right now. You guys, we have NYX for $2. We have $2 CoverGirl. We just have tons and tons and tons of makeup. I mean, so much. We have e.l.f. for 75 cents, 87 cents. Definitely come over to your beauty area and see what your store may have. My store always has a whole lot. We have even more by e.l.f. And definitely use your Walmart app to scan for hidden clearance, because I have found a lot of hidden clearance over here as well. We also have clearance Carter Beauty, and I'm wondering, I haven't done my research, but I'm wondering if that's Beyonce. Does anyone know? Is Carter Beauty Beyonce? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some other things. Now, a lot of our outdoorsy things are gonna start being on clearance. So watch this row here. For clearance items, we have the slant leg canopy. It was $44.97, now it's $30. A lot of these items will begin going on clearance soon, and you could just save it for next year, or if you live in a place where it's nice year round, just use it year round. Okay, let's go down the clearance aisle. It's been pretty unimpressive lately. Can't Catch Carry, an odd ones out card game. It was $24.86. It's $10.64 right now. All of the LED sterilizing travel bags are $10. The face masks that were almost $40 are still here. They're $10. You get 16 in a box. Definitely scan them for hidden clearance. $11.23. Ricky Sons. We have, what is this? Ricky Zoom. We have this Ricky Zoom bike, kind of cute. $11.23, down from $14.97. We have Pete the Cat. $11.13, down from $14.84. Leap Builders from Leapfrog, down from $19.97. Shapes and Music Castle. The Better Homes candles, down from $14.87. They're $10.41. MASH, an adult spin on the iconic game, $13.48, down from $19.82. Ooh, we have a Pioneer Woman set, down from $24.97. It's $16.73. This is a 3-piece embossed mixing bowl set. Pretty pink. In Maisie. That's the print, Maisie. And then over here on this side, we have $2 drink pitchers, coconut vacay wax melts, $1.22, down from $4.88, glitzy tinsels. These are so cute. The little erasers. Blue's Clues, $2.09, down from $4.97. What are these? Blippi, $2.34, down from $6.88. I think it's a blind bag. $2.52 for some measuring spoons. Paw minifigures, $2.91. Make your own fake food. Okay, this looks kind of fun. by Collins Key, a YouTuber. I like the container, super cute. This was $9.77, now it's $3.13. Okay, so what do we get? Okay, open the surprise key compounds and then complete the challenge. This is so cute. Like, I really like it just for the little container. Like, mystery food inside, bling, and then present it and show what it is. That's kind of cute. I want to scan this. This might be kind of cute on TikTok, even if it's just for the container. We have more from Better Homes, $17.05 for the 16-piece set. The dinnerware set. We have Better Home lamp bases. Hair doorables for $14.91 and $14.51. Okay, what else? Video music maker, Lego. Another Blippy up there for $19.97. More items from Better Homes, shams for $21.57. More lamp bases from Better Homes, $36.95, down from $49.93. More toys. We have little Go Glam pattern packs for $4.02, down from $9.97. Clearance G.I. Joes. Clearance Street Jammer plushies. So cute. These were how much? Let's see. These were $9.84. And then we have the spray paint. Come back. So cute. Aw, that might make a cute thumbnail. What else? $5.12 for a on-the-go breakfast by Fisher-Price. Variety of toys. What's over here? These items I feel like have been here like all summer. Vitamins, face wash. We have a L'Oreal moisturizer down from $8.97. We have some Olay products, but please look at the expiration date. Yeah, you guys, that's about it on the clearance aisle. A Better Homes chair set. Looks like we have some Ozark Trail items, a pot with a broken handle. Just some other random items. Another Collins Key set, make your own food, $8.87. Down from $14.77. We also have some little musical puzzles by Little Tykes. These were $14.84, now they're $8.16. Better Homes candles. Facial cloths. The clearance has been pretty blah lately, like all summer. It's been just messy, not very themed as it has been in the past. We have a mirror there for $24. All in all, it's been a pretty uneventful clearance aisle summer. But yeah, you guys, on that note, I'm out of here. Thanks for strolling the clearance aisle with me. Definitely check out my Walmart playlist. Also, check out my clearance playlist. If you guys want to go on a binger and see what some of the recent clearance items are in a variety of stores, then that playlist will be for you. But anyways, you guys, thanks for joining me. I'm off to get a few groceries, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.